Hey, this is Daryl as a service and talking with Rory Braybrook about the Global Azure Bootcamp that we'll be running on Saturday, this Saturday, the 22nd of April here in New Zealand. We're kicking that off as the first place in the world to do that, aren't we, Rory?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We see the sun first, so we'll kick off, and then the event will finish roughly 28 hours later in Honolulu. So, yeah, the event will almost track the sun as it goes around. And we're doing the boot camp itself is going to be in 254 locations worldwide. So, yeah, there's quite a few boot camps going on that day.
So I think you've done a few boot camps, haven't you, for the New Zealand League of Things?
Yeah, we organised the very first one, which was obviously 5 years ago. Unfortunately, the day that they choose clashes with Anzac Day. And so on some of the boot camps, it's actually been on Anzac Day, and then people, obviously not going to give us the room for the morning.
Of course.
So, yeah, we can only really do it when it's not quite the weekend. So.
Wow, okay. Well, we must respect the fallen soldiers, and certainly global Azure Bootcamp will have to wait in that sense. But see the relationship between Bootcamp and Anzac.
Yeah, we did chat to the organisers about changing it, but when they go across the world, there's so many public holidays and so on. It's just the way it's worked out.
Yeah, so this time around, there's a couple of tracks that we're going to be covering. We've got an IT Pro track and a Dev track. Can you tell us a little about what's happening within those tracks on Saturday?
Yeah, so this is the first time that we've actually split out into two tracks. So we've got an IaaS track and we've got a PaaS track, and we have a questionnaire when people register, and we're roughly tracking half and half, so which is quite interesting. So the dev track is very much bring your PC, make sure you've got Visual Studio. We'll do a bit of coding, bit of dev, but it'll be more about using Azure and things you can do with it. So in that track, we've got Alan and Bernard from Provoke, and they're going to be talking about cognitive services and bots and all these whizzy new things.
Oh, yeah.
All the big buzzwords. And then we've got Wagner, who's talking about Azure functions and logic. So that's also a big topic these days. A lot of people want to hear about that. And then we're finishing off with a sort of a real life scenario where we're going to do some dev. We're going to do app services. We've got a web API. We've got a Xamarin front end. So the Xamarin front end tying into the web API. And then we're going to basically hand over to the DevOps guys, and they're going to deploy it and show you how you actually can use DevOps. So it's kind of a real world. This is a dev, this is the build, this is a DevOps, this is deploying, this is monitoring, and all the rest of it. So that will be pretty cool.
So taking them right through the flow almost of creating that app and making sure the infrastructure is working for that. Awesome. Okay, I think we just lost Rory. As Rory comes back, but I'll round it off there. Thank you for Decadata and for Xamarin as well. I did drop.
You did drop, yeah.
Yeah, I did drop. I'll just round it off and saying that thanks to the sponsors, Decadata and Microsoft, of course, and Xamarin side of things too for the development. We're running the event down the Cliftons. We do apologise for was it 250 or so people that didn't quite make it?
Yes, we sold out the event in 10 minutes.
Wow.
So,
yeah, so this is partly why we're trying to broadcast as much as we can live. So I'll be trying to cover this off from Periscope. So if you follow my account at Daryl as a service, that's obviously if you're watching it, you've found me, but we will be tweeting around as well to try and share this event. I'll be trying to capture some of the presenters as they're doing their thing, capturing their screen, and then we'll get around and interview some of the people that are actually working through some of the exercises and seeing what they come up with. So it should be a great day. Hey, Rory, so thank you for joining us.
Yeah, we're really looking forward to it, and lots going on the day, and it should be awesome.
Great. Okay, thanks, Rory, and we'll see you there. If not in person, hopefully virtually. Bye for now.
All right. Cheers.